Hello friends, my name is Darshan and you are watching our channel Placement Talks, where we will be sharing daily notifications of government job, freshers job and other engineering jobs. So today I am here with the one of the job update, which is Intelligence Bureau, that is IB recruitment for ACIO role, that any degree can apply for this. So before that, if you are not subscribed to our channel, then please go to our channel and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So you will be receiving all the job notifications as I uploaded. So I will be updating daily job notifications. So if you are not subscribed, then you will be not receiving the update. So let us start today's video. So Assistant Central Intelligence Officer grade 2 role they are hiring for this time. So everyone know what is Intelligence Bureau, which is the Internal Security and Counterintelligence Agency. It is reputed to be the oldest organization in the world. So let us check the post. The post name is ACIO, as I told, and the classification would be General Central Service Group C. Total number of posts available are 2000 posts that are divided among the OBC, SC, ST. So that are given here. So the pay scale will be 44,000 rupees to 1,42,000 rupees per month, which is good. And the eligibility is every graduates can apply for this role. Here is the organization name, that is IB, and the occupation location is all over the India. If you are ready to locate anywhere in India, then only you can apply for this. As I said, the pay would be 44,000 rupees and 900 to 1,42,400 rupees per month. And the qualification is graduation or equivalent graduation in organization. So here are some qualifications, like the age limit is 18 to 27 years. The age relaxation is for SCST is 3 years. For SCST is 5 years and OBC is 3 years. So you can apply for this. So how you can apply and what is the procedure, all are given in this article. You can read it from the description box. I have given the link in the description box. You can also check the official page or the official notifications from here. If you click on this, you will be moved to the official PDF. Here they have given all the information related to this post and how you can apply, who can all apply, and what is the procedure step by step. Here you can see, if you scroll that, you will get all the each and everything information step by step to apply and all. So let us check the scheme of examination. You will be having a written examination, that will be tier 1 and tier 2. In tier 1 you will be having 100 questions, each are multiple choice exams. So the informations are given here, like the syllabus will be general awareness, quantitative aptitude, numerical ability, English language and general studies. These are for tier 1 exam. If you clear this, you will be having a tier 2 exam, that is descriptive type. You need to write the answers in the form of descriptive. That paper will be of 50 marks. Here essay rating will be considered as 30 marks and you will be having a reading comprehension, that is for 20 marks. If you clear this round, you will be moved to the interview round, that is tier 3 interview round. Here they will be assigning 100 marks depending upon your interview process. So these are all the examination process and the syllabus for the exam. So now let us check how you can apply for this role. So first you need to go to the official link which is given in this article. After that you need to fill all the details which is asking. So the last date to apply is 9/1/2021, that is next month, January 9th. Before that you need to apply. If you are applying after that, your application will be rejected. And one more thing, if you are given any wrong informations at any time, then your application may be rejected at any time. Application link is given in this article. You can apply from this link. So that's it for today. If you want regular job notifications, you can join our Telegram group where we will be sharing daily job updates. You can also follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.